Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Saint-Aubert is a municipality in the Chaudiere-Appalaches region of Quebec, located in Lille Regional County Municipality along the south shore of the St. Lawrence River. The community is known for its rural landscapes, agricultural traditions, and strong connection to Quebec history. Today, Saint-Aubert has a population of around 1,500 residents, making it one of the larger rural communities in the immediate area. The municipality was founded during the period of French colonial expansion along the St. Lawrence River. Settlement in the region began during the 18th century as families moved eastward from older communities closer to Quebec City.
Thank you very much.
Saint-Aubert was officially established as a parish municipality in the 19th century, and like many Quebec villages of that era, the church became the center of community life. The name Saint-Aubert comes from Saint-Aubert of Avranches, a bishop from medieval France. Religious influence shaped much of the municipality's early development, especially through the parish system that organized education, local government, and social life. The parish church stood as one of the most important buildings in the community and remains a symbol of the village's history and heritage. Agriculture has long been the foundation of the local economy. The fertile land near the St. Lawrence River allowed generations of farmers to grow crops and raise livestock. Dairy farming became especially important in this part of Quebec, and rural traditions connected to farming still play a major role in everyday life. Fields, barns, and family farms continue to define much of the landscape surrounding Saint-Aubert. Saint-Aubert is also known for its connection to traditional Quebec food production, particularly cheese making. The municipality has become recognized for artisanal agriculture and locally produced foods that reflect the region's farming heritage. These traditions help support tourism and local business while preserving cultural practices that have existed for generations. During the 19th and early 20th centuries, transportation along the St. Lawrence River was essential for trade and communication. Nearby communities depended on the river to move goods, supplies, and people between settlements. Over time, roads and railways improved access to the region, helping communities like Saint-Aubert remain connected to larger urban centers while maintaining their rural identity. The surrounding natural environment is another important part of life in Saint-Aubert. The region experiences 4 distinct seasons, with cold, snowy winters and warm summers. Autumn is especially well known for colorful foliage across the countryside, while spring brings renewed farming activity and greener landscapes throughout the area. Outdoor recreation such as cycling, hiking, snowmobiling, and exploring rural roads is popular across the region. Today, Saint-Aubert represents a blend of history, agriculture, and rural Quebec culture. Its location near the St. Lawrence River, combined with its farming heritage and small-town atmosphere, gives the municipality a character that reflects the traditions of eastern Quebec. Communities like Saint-Aubert continue to preserve an important part of the province's cultural and historical identity. watching!